Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine. I was thinking about for last couple of days to interact with the students and their parents on a very serious issue. As the results of CBSE, ICSE, ISC and other states are finally out. And I congratulate everyone for clearing their exams. I don't consider passing your board exams as a criteria of your success. So, I did not use the word success while congratulating you people. As the results are out, and now everyone possibly have started to prepare for the next level of a rat race. What actually made me to talk with the people is what my eyes caught on different social media platforms after the declaration of these results. What I observed that a mixed population of happy and unhappy students, majorly the average students with a comparatively better vision of their future. On the other hand, a huge majority of the unhappy students with 80 to 90 plus marks, and the reason of their hunger for marks, what I feel, are their parents. This majority of unhappy parents are actually needed to think that what severe damage they are doing on the minds of their children. Now, why I am saying so? I am saying so on the basis of my education that I have pursued and my work experience in the field of education for almost a decade. And the story that I have seen is same almost every year and everywhere. A request to parents as well as to the students to listen me because it will definitely help you for making decisions in your coming future. This mental pressure and hunger of securing good score is continuously affecting the emotional behavior of the student and in a long run making a great loss for their growth and kills their confidence to become self-reliant. Every child is special and born with an X factor. Parents have to understand it that to fulfill their personal desires or the dreams that they had failed to achieve at some stage of their lives, they cannot impose it on their children. They are different beings. They have different learning capabilities. They have different problem solving abilities. So the parents could not act like कि शर्मा जी का बेटा इंजीनियर है तो हमारा बेटा भी इंजीनियर होगा. This peer pressure is of no work as it fills the pockets of different IIT and NEET, CACS coachings mushroomed everywhere. They are taking the undue advantage of the emotional paralysis of parents and making money. We live in a society with full of prejudice where we make subject streams not on the basis of liking but on the basis of marks. Dmitry Mendeleev, a prominent name in the world of chemistry, was also not given permission to study chemistry and forced to study humanities. And he failed and failed again to clear university entrance exams. But now, the world of chemistry is incomplete without his dads. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Virat Kohli, Eminem, etc. are some people who never been rankers, but what they have achieved in their lives is the result of their hard work, dedication, and passion towards what they are doing. There are thousands of examples where non-rank holders have achieved lot of things which could have not been achieved by many. My request to the parents is please don't force these kids. It's not like that they don't try. They do, but sometimes everything does not happen according to the plan. These kids are not even able to share their the pain, what sort of agony they are going through. So nurture them, and support them. They will they will be successful. They will bring smile on your face. They will make you feel proud. And my dear students, enjoy the results with whatever percent you have and celebrate your achievement, either it is small or big, and plan for the next level. Sit calmly and do a self introspection. You are always good and you can achieve anything in your life. Don't underestimate yourself and do not overestimate others. Stay home, stay safe, have a good time. Thank you.